Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Versa brake light. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and a new 7440 bulb. Make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the parking brake is engaged for safety. Then, open your trunk to easily access the back of the tail light assembly. This simple preparation makes the entire process much smoother. Now let's get to the bulb. You'll see two Phillips head screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Carefully remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might feel a little snug, but it will come free. Then, locate the brake light bulb socket and twist it counterclockwise to release it from the assembly. With the socket in hand, carefully pull the old 7440 bulb straight out. It should come out easily. Now, take your new 7440 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly. Before you reassemble everything, it's a good idea to test the new bulb. Have a friend or family member press the brake pedal to confirm it illuminates properly. Once you've confirmed the new bulb works, twist the bulb socket clockwise to secure it back into the tail light assembly. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back into its original position on the vehicle. Reinsert the two Phillips head screws and tighten them securely, but don't over-tighten. Finally, give your brakes one last test to ensure everything is functioning perfectly. Also, remember to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.